That SMEM file captures the saved RAM contents of a paused Parallels desktop virtual machine, a frozen snapshot of everything running in memory. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these virtual machine state files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective SMEM file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. SMEM files are parallels. Desktop save memory state files containing a snapshot of a virtual machine's RAM at the moment of suspension. They enable instant resume of paused virtual machines by restoring the exact memory state, including running applications and processes. Parallels SMEM files are binary dumps of the virtual machine's allocated memory, including page tables, process memory, and device state buffers. They are stored alongside PVM virtual machine bundles and are tied to specific snapshot points in the VM's lifecycle. The guiding principle for opening SMEM is to use Parallels Desktop from Parallels. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows safeguards these files because changes may prevent the system from starting correctly. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your SMEM file and select Open With. Test Parallels. Desktop if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If the SMEM file is still giving you trouble, relax. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, resuming the virtual machine. Open Parallels. Desktop on your Mac and navigate to the virtual machine associated with the SMEM file. Click Resume or start to restore the virtual machine to its saved state. Parallels will reload the memory state and continue execution from where it was paused. Next, deleting to free space. SMEM files can consume significant disk space. To reclaim storage, open Parallels. Desktop and navigate to the Virtual Machine Snapshots Manager. Delete unnecessary snapshots, which will remove their associated SMEM files and free disk space on your Mac. Finally, troubleshooting resume failures. If a virtual machine fails to resume from save state, delete the SMEM file from the PVM bundle folder and restart the virtual machine with a fresh boot. Navigate to the PVM file in Finder, right-click, and select Show Package Contents to locate and remove the SMEM file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.